Hello children, I hope you all are safe and happy at home, and today we are going to continue our class for 6th standard mathematics. So in this we have discussed about the estimation, how to estimate a number, and then estimation of a sum and difference, okay, estimation of a sum and difference, and today we are going to continue the same with the topic which is estimation of product and quotient. So what is sum and difference? We have discussed it, no? What is sum and difference? So sum means we have to add, difference means we have to subtract. Like that, here we are having two terms which is product and quotient. Product and quotient. So product means we have to multiply, and then quotient means we have to divide. Okay? We are going to estimate the number and then we are going to multiply and divide it. Okay? So in this, in today class we are going to discuss about the estimation of product and quotient. Okay, here is the example. So if the cost of a copy of a Thirukkural book is rupees 188. So the cost of a Thirukkural book is rupees 188. Then find the estimated cost of 31 copies of such books. So here we are going to find the answer for the same books. The cost of one book is 188, and we have to find the value cost of the estimated cost of 31 copies. Okay. So now we are going to find the estimated cost of 31 copies. So here is a note, find the rounded values of 188 and also 31 and then find the result. Okay. So for this we have to find the rounded value and then we have to multiply the two numbers. Okay. So in this we are going to do the product, okay, estimation of product. So here 188 is nearer to 200 and 31 is nearer to 30. So how we are getting this? So I already told you the steps. So here we have to convert this 100, so that we have to check the number which is at the right side of 100, which is 8. Okay. So 8 means 8 is greater than 5. So you have to add 1 with this 1, so that 2, and after 2 both the numbers will be changed as zeros. So 188 will be converted as 200. Okay. So without these steps we can find it easily. So 188, right, this is the number, okay, which is the 100 which is nearer to this number. What is the hundreds? 100, 200, 300, etc. right. So which 100 is nearer to this 188? Yeah, obviously it's 200, because within 12 steps we can reach 200. To reach 100 we have to go back 88 steps, right, 88 we have to go back at 88 steps, but to reach 200 we have to move only 12 steps, right. So 188 is nearer to 200. So it's converted as 200. Estimated value of 188 is 200. Okay. And what about 31? By using this trick you can tell it easily, right. So it should be converted to the nearest tens, right. So what are all tens? 10, 20, 30, 40, etc. right. So to reach this, see here it's 31. So which tens is nearer to 31? Yeah, it's 30. To reach 30 it has to move only one step backward, but to reach 20 it has to move 11 steps back, right. So the number is, the estimated value of 31 is 30. Okay. Otherwise we can follow the same steps. So to change this tens place we have to check the number which is at the right side of 3. So that is 1. 1 is less than 5. So the 3 will remain unchanged, and then this 1 will be converted as 0. So the number is 30. Okay. Here the estimated value of 188 is 200, and then 31, the estimated value of 31 is 30. Okay. So So first we have to find the exact amount of the 31 copies. Okay. To find the amount, we have to multiply these two numbers. Okay. To find the exact cost, correct actual cost, to find the actual cost, we have to multiply these two numbers, right. So 188 into 31. So multiply this. 1 into 8 is 8, 1 8 is 8, again 1 1 is 1, okay, and then 3 8s are, what is 3 8s are? 24, so 4, balance 2. So again 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 2 is 26, so 6, remainder 2, and then 1 3 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5. So now we are going to add this, so 8. 8 plus 4 is 12, so 2, remainder 1, so 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 6 is 8, and then 5. Here there is no number, so it is 5. So now what is the answer? 5,828. So the cost of 31 copies is rupees 5,828. Okay. So now we are going to do the same for the estimated cost. This is for exact cost, and we are going to continue the multiplication to find the estimated cost. Okay. So what is the estimated cost? See, here it is 200 and we are going to find it for 30 copies. So multiply this. Number which is multiplied by 0 will be 0. So again 3 into 0 is 0. And then 3 into 0 is 0, 3 2s are 6. Now add all the numbers, so 0, 0, 0, 6. Now what is the cost of the estimated cost of 31 copies? It's 6,000. Okay. So the estimated value is 6,000. Okay. So the exact cost of 31 copies is 5,828 and the estimated cost of 31 copies is 6,000 rupees, 6,000. Therefore, the estimated cost of 31 copies of Thirukkural books is 6,000. Okay. And then we are going to do the same for division. So here is the example for this. So find the estimated value of 5,598, which is divided by 689. So what is the actual value? It's 5,598. So I am going to divide this with 689. Okay. We don't know the tables for 689, so that we can add it, right. So if you add it, you will get in the 8 689s are 5,512. Okay. So to continue the division, we have to subtract this. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 9 minus 1 is 8, 5 minus 5 is 0, and again 5 minus 5 is 0. So the remainder is 86. We can't divide it, so that we have to put a decimal here and then we have to add. So leave all those things. The exact division, actual division is 8. Okay. If you divide 5,598 by 689, you will get 8 point something. So we can consider it as 8. Okay. And then what about the estimated value? See, now we are going to estimate this. So estimate this to the nearest 100, because the value of 689 lies in hundreds. So convert this number to, round off this number to the nearest 100, which means we have to check the hundreds place, which is 5. To change this 5, we have to check 9. So 9 is greater than 5, so add 1 with this number. So estimated value of 5,598 is 5,600. Okay. And what about 689? The 100 which is nearer to 689 is 700. So 689 will be estimated as 700. Okay. So these are the two numbers. Now we are going to do the same we are going to divide 5600 by 700. So 7 8s are 56 and then these two zeros. So it will be, if you subtract these two numbers we will get 0. So the estimated value is 8. Okay. Hence the estimated value of 5598 divided by 689 is 8. Okay. I hope you all understood. So I will give you the exercise sums as a homework. You have to finish it and send it to me through the WhatsApp group. We will continue our class with the next topic. Thank you.